Things you need to know for AP Biology. Null hypothesis. Null hypothesis states that there is no statistically significant difference between two variables. In other words, null hypothesis is a default statement that states that there is no effect, no difference, or no relationship between the variables in the experiment. If your experimental results show no big difference, that means your data supports the idea that any change is just due to chance, not because of any specific factors. In this case, you fail to reject the null hypothesis. However, if your results show a clear difference between the variables in an experiment, then it's probably not due to chance. Therefore, in this case, you reject the null hypothesis. For example, let's say you want to test whether the snail prefers light or dark. The null hypothesis will be the snail will show no preference between light and dark. If the snail goes to both sides equally, then you fail to reject the null hypothesis. However, if it clearly goes to the dark side, then you reject the null hypothesis because this suggests that light does affect their behavior. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.